I'll be making mackerel rundown. Today I am going to use the fresh mackerel. Normally we would use salt mackerel, but I'm trying to keep away from the salt, so I'm using the fresh mackerel. If you choose to use the salt mackerel, I recommend that you at least boil the salt mackerel twice to get rid of some of the salt. I have some Scotch bonnet peppers, onions and garlic. I have green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and I have some thyme and some grape tomatoes. I'll be using 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can also use coconut oil, it's your preference. Black pepper, salt for taste, and one of the key ingredients is the coconut juice. You can use coconut powder, or you can use your own. You can make your own coconut juice. It's really your preference. I'm using garlic powder for taste, Maggi seasoning, and a bit of cayenne pepper because I really love pepper in my food. So I've placed all my mackerel in the hot oil. I'm going to just give them 2 minutes to get a little bit of color on both sides. Then I'm going to remove them from the pot, and I'm going to put my bell peppers and my green onions and my other seasonings in. So I took the mackerel from the oil. I did them to my liking. If you don't want to do them like this, you can take them out before. If you want them a little bit darker, you can leave them in. It's really to your liking. So it's time for our seasoning. So I'm gonna add 1/3 of the Scotch bonnet, garlic, onions, thyme, bell peppers, my grape tomatoes, and I'm just gonna let it saute a little bit, not too much. I'm going to add my coconut milk. I'm using 1 can of coconut milk. I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt for taste, some brown pepper, cayenne pepper. Remember, this is optional. A teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. And guys, I am not measuring these because I cook this so often. I'll be adding a mixture of garlic powder and onion salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna give that a little bit of stir. Oh my God, look at that coconut milk coming together. I'm just gonna keep on boiling this until I get the consistency that I am looking for. I'm gonna leave this on low heat for about 5 minutes. So now I have the consistency that I am looking for. Normally we would say we want the coconut juice to be a little bit custard. So that's the consistency that I am looking for right there. So now I'm going to add the remaining of seasoning that I had. I love earth seasoning, guys. And I'm just gonna give that a little stir. At this point, you can turn your stove down to low. Now, I'm just gonna add my mackerel. I don't want to give this too much of a stir because I don't want to get my mackerel broken into pieces. I'm just gonna toss it around a little bit. And it's really important at this point to put your stove on low heat because you don't want all of the nice thick custardy coconut juice to boil out of the pot. So guys, look how beautiful and lovely this looks. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste this. We have some bananas and squash boiling and sweet potatoes and Irish potatoes. I'm going to be serving this with the bananas